So how are you going to build your elevated pitch in practice? Well, the good news is you don't have to write anything down. Really, I would say don't. The best thing is not write anything down. What you need to do, though, is practice, and you can practice in front of your mirror, or you can practice in front of one or a couple of colleagues or family members, or even you can use your cell phones and tapes this and look back how it went, and you will see the first one may be difficult and maybe a bit, scary to do, but the second and the third time around, you will feel that you are relaxing to it and that you find your words easier. It's really about trying and making this work. And if you can do this in 60 seconds by really choosing the key elements of your message, of what is important to convey to this particular audience or to this particular person. If you can say that in 1 minute, it is very easy for you to say it in 10 minutes or half an hour, because you can always build from that key essence.